Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished viewers from around the world, welcome to the Greener the Better show. The Greener the Better is not just a vlog, it's a call to action. It's an exploration of the symbiotic relationship we share with our environment and a stern warning against its misuse and abuse. We have had the privilege of witnessing the beauty of our planet in its various forms, and it is both our duty and passion to ensure that future generations can experience the same wonders. In the episodes to come, we will delve into the intricacies of environmental conservation. This is a journey of awareness and change. Join your host Stewart, and together, let's embark on this vital journey. For the greener, the better, join in on this global expedition of environmental consciousness.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we delve into a topic that marries innovation with environmental responsibility: the use of drones and the potential risks they pose to our skies. Drones have undoubtedly revolutionized various industries, but they can also pose a significant risk of collision with other aircraft, especially in low-altitude airspace. In this video, we'll explore the environmental implications of this issue and discuss ways to ensure a safe and sustainable future for drone technology. Drones have soared in popularity in recent years, finding applications in agriculture, photography, surveillance, and even package delivery. Their versatility and accessibility have made them indispensable tools. However, this proliferation of drones also raises concerns about airspace, congestion, and safety. Drones operating in low-altitude airspace can potentially collide with other aircraft, including manned planes and helicopters. These collisions can lead to accidents, injuries, and damage to property. Such incidents have been on the rise, prompting regulatory bodies to take notice. Now, let's address the environmental consequences of these collisions. When drones collide with other aircraft, the result is not just a safety hazard, but also an environmental one. Crashes can lead to fuel spills and debris, which harm the environment. Moreover, drones themselves can contribute to emissions when powered by fossil fuels. To mitigate these risks, regulators worldwide have been working to establish rules and guidelines for drone operation. This includes strict no-fly zones near airports and height restrictions. It's crucial for drone operators to adhere to these regulations to ensure safe coexistence in our airspace. There are also technological solutions in development to enhance drone safety. These include collision avoidance systems and remote identification technologies that allow authorities to track and monitor drones in real time. Such innovations are essential to address the risk of collisions. It's not just the responsibility of regulators and technology developers. Drone enthusiasts and operators also play a crucial role. I urge all drone users to prioritize safety, respect airspace regulations, and undergo proper training to operate their drones responsibly. In conclusion, the rise of drones offers incredible potential for innovation, but we must be mindful of the environmental and safety risks they pose, particularly in congested low-altitude airspace. By striking a balance between innovation and safety, we can ensure a sustainable future for this transformative technology. Thank you for joining me today in this discussion of the environmental impact of drones and the risk of collisions in our skies. It's essential that we remain vigilant in addressing these issues as drone technology continues to evolve. Please If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, this is Stewart signing off.
As we draw the curtains on today's episode of The Greener the Better, it's been a privilege to have your attention as we delved into the crucial topic of environmental conservation. Remember, change starts with awareness, and if you found today's discussion enlightening, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your engagement spreads the message further and wider, inspiring more individuals to take action. In closing, let's carry the spirit of today's discussion with us. Let's be mindful of our actions and their impact on the environment, striving for a world where the greener truly is the better. Together, we can make a difference, one step at a time. Thank you once again for joining your host Stewart on the Greener the Better show. Until next time, let's keep working towards a more sustainable and harmonious world. Goodbye for now, and take care.